Hello everyone. Yes, it's me. I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been about a year, roughly, since I've uploaded a video. Real quick, just explain, 2018 was just a tough year for me with my mental health, anxiety, and depression and stuff like that. So I fell very far behind on filming videos on my boxy charms and everything like that, and I just decided to kind of take a break from YouTube, um, and just focus on me and trying to get through all the things I was getting through. But now 2018 is over, it is behind me, it's in the past, and I made it one of my goals this year in 2019 to really find my passion again with makeup, um, just because I kind of feel like I lost it last year. I rarely wore makeup, um, and I really fell out of that love and that passion, and I've slowly gotten back into it. It's really just, it's helped, like, the power of makeup is real. So I am back, I'm here, and I'm so excited that my very first video of 2019 is an unboxing, and I can't wait. I like rushed home today after work when I saw that this package was delivered and like ran to my room. I apologize for the crappy lighting. I actually did get my own beauty room now. So new background, everything like that. I really have to fix the lighting. So I apologize if I'm really washed out, stuff like that. Bear with me. I'll make it work as I get back into filming. But anyway, I finally caved and gave into the hype and purchased my very first items from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I ordered one of his Valentine's mystery boxes for 2019, and I am so excited to open this. You have no idea how hard it was for me not to look at it first before I opened it with you guys on camera. So, I know that there is, I believe, 6 items in this. I got the premium box, so just the smaller one. This was the $40 one, plus shipping and all that stuff. But the box itself was $40, and I believe this one comes with about 6 items. I think it ranges anywhere from like lippies to skin frosts, and an exclusive accessory. So I'm really anxious to see what that is. So without any further ado or delay, I'm going to go ahead and rip open this box and let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Alright, so this is the package in the classic Jeffree Star pink packaging. Let's see. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I see in the box is I guess this would be the accessory, a Jeffree Star pop socket. I'm so excited. And it's like a real pop socket too, not like one of those knockoff ones. So yeah, this is the Jeffree Star pop socket. Really cute. I like that it's red. I guess he's kind of going for the Valentine's Day theme, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and guess that some of these lipsticks are going to be like maybe like purples and pinks, which are not my color, but you know what? Whatever. It's fun. I don't really care. So first thing in the box was the pop socket. Oh, I don't know what to go for first. I'm going to go ahead and go for the Skin Frost. I am so excited to have this, you guys. Okay, so I got the shade Deep Freeze. Oh, I really hope it's a shade that I can wear. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Look at this pan. It's like the size of my face. Okay, so I got the shade Deep Freeze. Interesting. So it's like a blue teal color. Huh, I was kind of expecting it to be like silver or whatever, because like the swatch on the packaging is silver. So this is what it looks like. The really pretty embossment, and it's not picking up too much on camera, but it's a really pretty like teal shade. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Wow, that is so pretty. I know you're probably not gonna be able to see it very well. I'm so sorry. You can kind of see it. Holy cow. That is definitely not a highlight shade that I would wear as a highlight, but I could totally rock that as like a really pretty lid shade, or something. Or maybe if I like kind of sheared it out a little bit, I could wear it as like a highlighter. I don't know. Let me get a wipe and kind of wipe it off. But, you know, not necessarily a shade I would wear, but, you know, I'm excited to have this in my collection, even if I play with it as, like I said, like an eyeshadow or something, like during Halloween, or if I just kind of want to go with like a blue look. Alright, not too mad about this. And I know these retail for, I believe, $29. So right there is pretty much the majority of the box, which was $40. So I'm not mad about that. Alright, and the next thing I have in here is one of his velour liquid lips. And, sorry, my computer's freaking out. And I have the shade Can't Relate. And it looks like a pale pink nude kind of color. Oh my gosh, this packaging. You guys. I really don't think it's going to pick up on camera. But this packaging is stunning. I love the white cap and the glitter on the tube. Oh my goodness. Doesn't really have much of a smell. I know some of his stuff is supposed to kind of have a smell to it, but oh my goodness gracious, this shade is beautiful. I was really nervous that I was going to get a lot of shades that I couldn't wear, so I'm really happy to have this one. This is a gorgeous nude. I gotta try it on. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it on. Alright. So I'm sorry if this video is lagging. My computer is wigging out. I haven't used it in months, but here we go. Oh, it's so pretty. This is almost like a My Lips But Better kind of shade, but lighter. I'm not mad about it. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Yes, and this I can't get over this packaging. It's stunning. Like, I don't think you can really tell on camera, but it's like a My Lips But Better, but like it doesn't wash me out. It like really kind of complements my skin tone, so I'm really not mad about it. So far so good. Oh gosh, I've been dying to try his lip formula for like ever. Okay, so far so good. First shade was definitely a success. I'm gonna be in and out of focus here, y'all. I'm a mess, but I really wanted to film the video, so I'm not mad about it. Alright, so the next thing in the box is, I'm gonna go for this. Oh, okay, this is one of his lip ammunitions, and I got the shade Starfish, which again looks more of like a pinky nude kind of color, and I don't think I've actually heard of this. Ugh. The packaging is adorable. I love that it's like a bullet. Ooh, definitely not my shade. It's like a nice, like a hot coral pink. I'm going to swatch it. I know I'm not going to wear it. But you can see right there, this one right here. It's like a hot pink. Definitely not my forte. Again, there's no real smell. That's a shame because it feels really nice, but I know I won't wear this shade, but I'll pass it along, see if somebody else might want it. But yeah, that was the shade Starfish. So I believe, I know that the velour liquid lipsticks retail for $18, and I'm pretty sure the lip ammos are the same price. So even right there, these two are the value of the box. So right there is your worth. So I'm not mad about it. Okay. The next two items are more velour liquid lipsticks, and I got the shade Watermelon Soda, and I know this was I believe this was one of his summer shades last summer or something. Oh, it's super pretty. Again, this is not going to be one that I'm probably going to wear. It literally smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, and my best friend would go bananas because she loves watermelon scented scented things. I mean, it's a pretty shade. I won't wear it. It's a deep pinkish color right above that middle color there. You know what? I'm gonna swatch it just for fun. Why not, right? Oh my gosh, I can't get over that smell. All right, let's try it. Ooh. No. Not eye shade. I cannot get over how amazing it smelled. Yeah, not really my shade. like, it's not bad. It's just a little bright for my liking. So that one will probably be put in my giveaway box, but it is pretty. I mean, oh, holy crap. It's already dried down. Wow, that's crazy. All right, so that's that. I'll wipe it off before it dries completely here. But the smell alone is fantastic. Yeah, all right. Okay, so the last item I have, again, is another velour liquid lipstick, and this is, again, in the white packaging. Oh, this packaging is so gorgeous. It's just, like, covered in glitter. This is the shade Triggered. Ooh. I don't know why I keep smelling them. I guess because I always hear that he makes his stuff scented, but this one just kind of has that lipsticky smell. But this is, you can't even see it in the tube. This is a deep, deep, deep purple. And this is totally up my alley. I have to try this one on. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, stop. Does it have glitter in this? This is stunning. Oh my goodness. I totally messed that up. Oops. I have the worst lips for lip swatches, you guys. Ugh. I'm in love. I totally effed that up. I gotta overdraw my lips. Sorry. This is beautiful. I will wear the crap out of this color in the winter. Oh my gosh. Oh, let me swatch it on my hand for you. Let me swatch it for you. Yep, it totally has glitter in it. I bet you I think it's one of the formulas he came out with, where after it dries, you can rub it and the glitter comes out, and I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Yep. Oh, I wish you guys could see this in person. This is one of the ones that when you rub it, the glitter shows. So this is what, it's that deep purple right here, right at the top. So we have the Triggered, Watermelon Soda, Starfish, and Can't Relate. These two right here, totally worth it for me for the box. I mean, where was it? Where'd it go? Can't Relate and Triggered, easily right there, worth the money. And I mean, the Skin Frost, like, I'm not gonna wear it as a highlighter, but I will probably get use out of it as an eyeshadow. And then these two, I mean, I'll see if anybody wants them just because they're not my shade. But if anything, I can always use the Watermelon Soda as like a colorful liner if I want, because his formula is vegan and eye safe. So I can always do that, or as like an eyeshadow base for a Halloween look or something if nobody wants it. But yeah, all in all, I'm so excited for this box, and I'm so glad I bought it. I was really nervous because I did kind of cheat and hear or watch some videos, and there were a lot of people getting boxes of colors that I was like, I'm not going to wear any of those. Some purples and lilacs and pinks, and I mean, yes, I got 2 pinks and that I won't wear, but 2 out of 5 products, I'm not mad about that. So I'm beyond ecstatic and relieved that I got use out of this box. Like, I'm going to wear the crap out of this dark purple lipstick. No lie. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yeah, that was my unboxing, and I am really glad to be back here on YouTube. I missed it, and I hope I can keep up with it this year. That's my goal. So if you're still with me, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I apologize if the quality is not the best, but I was dying to get this video up, and I really wanted to truthfully unbox it in front of you guys for my reaction. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you're new, and I will keep you updated on new content I get. I did order the Jeffree Star Morphe brush collection, so I plan on doing a video on that as well, and using those brushes in a video, so stay tuned for that if you're a Jeffree Star fan. There will be more content coming. Thank you guys for joining me, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.